Are you burning extra cash at the pump right now without even knowing it? Most drivers think choosing premium gas makes their car run better, cleaner, or even last longer. But a massive secret is costing you real money every single week. We're about to uncover why that higher octane is actually a complete lie for your everyday car. And that's not an exaggeration. A massive study from AAA found that Americans are throwing away over $2.1 billion every single year on premium gas. That's a real number. Think about it. Right now, premium can easily cost you 80 cents more per gallon. And it's easy to fall for it, because the word premium sounds better, right? Like it's cleaner or more powerful for your engine. But here's the secret. For about 70% of the cars on the road today, it does absolutely nothing. Big names like the Federal Trade Commission and Consumer Reports have tested this over and over. For a normal car that doesn't require it, there is zero difference in horsepower, zero improvement in gas mileage, and no change in emissions. You are literally paying for a higher number on the pump that your car can't even use. So let's dig into exactly how they uncovered this. Where did that giant $2.1 billion number even come from? It all goes back to a huge study done by AAA in 2016. They teamed up with a high-tech auto research center in California to get to the bottom of it once and for all. This wasn't just some casual survey. They brought in cars with all kinds of engines, V8s, V6s, and 4-cylinders, the kind of cars that millions of us drive every single day. The most important part? Every single car they tested was designed by the manufacturer to run on regular 87-octane gas. Then, they put them through the ringer. They used professional-grade equipment, basically treadmills for cars, to run them through identical, government-certified driving cycles. They tested each car on regular gas, then drained it, filled it up with premium 93-octane, and ran the exact same tests all over again. They measured everything: horsepower, fuel economy, emissions, and the results were crystal clear. When running on premium, these regular cars got zero extra horsepower. They saw zero improvement in gas mileage. And they had zero change in their tailpipe emissions. Absolutely nothing. So AAA did the math. They found that at the time, 16.5 million drivers were needlessly buying premium gas. On average, each one of those drivers was wasting about $127 a year. That might not sound like a ton of money on its own, but when you multiply it by 16.5 million people, that's how you get to a staggering $2.1 billion. It's a perfect example of marketing at its worst. The word premium makes you think you're getting something better, a cleaner, more powerful fuel. But you're not. For most cars, the only thing premium about it is the price. The name simply means it has a higher octane number, and that's a feature your car's engine probably can't even use. So, what does that octane number on the pump actually mean? It's a lot simpler than the oil companies want you to think. At its core, an octane rating just measures one thing: how well the fuel can resist something called engine knock. Think of engine knock as a tiny, uncontrolled explosion happening inside your engine. Instead of a smooth burn, the fuel ignites too early, causing a pinging or knocking sound. This is bad for the engine over time. Higher octane gas, like 93 Premium, is simply better at resisting that knock. Regular 87 is a little less resistant. But here's the critical part almost everyone gets wrong. A higher octane number does not mean the gas has more power. It's not cleaner. It's not higher quality. It's just designed differently, for a different type of engine, usually one with high compression found in performance cars. Don't just take my word for it. The Federal Trade Commission itself says that for most cars, using a higher octane gas than what's recommended in your owner's manual offers, and I quote, absolutely no benefit. So what happens if your car recommends premium, but doesn't require it? How is your engine protected if you use regular? Well, almost every car made since 1996 has a built-in bodyguard for the engine. It's a tiny device called a knock sensor. This sensor is basically a little microphone that's constantly listening for the telltale vibrations of engine knock. The second it detects a problem, it tells the car's computer, which instantly adjusts the engine's timing to stop the knock before it can cause any harm. It happens in milliseconds, without you ever knowing. This one little sensor makes paying for premium fuel totally unnecessary for millions of drivers. And the cost of falling for this myth is only getting worse. Back in 1995, the price difference between regular and premium was about 20 cents a gallon. Today, That gap has exploded to around 85 cents. That's a massive price to pay for a feature your car's computer already handles for free. So how do you figure out exactly what your car needs? It's simple, and it takes about 10 seconds. Just open your fuel door. Right there on the gas cap, or on a sticker inside the door, it will tell you exactly what to use. If it's not there, a quick flip through your owner's manual will give you the answer. Now, this is the most important part. You need to look for one of two words, required or recommended. They sound similar, but they mean completely different things. If it says premium fuel is required, then you have to use it. No exceptions. These are usually high-performance engines in cars like a Corvette Z06, a Dodge Hellcat, or a BMW M Series. Putting regular gas in these cars can eventually cause engine damage and could even void your warranty. But what if it just says premium fuel is recommended? This is the word that costs Americans billions. If your car only recommends premium, it is 100% designed to run perfectly on regular 87-octane gas. Don't believe me? AAA and Consumer Reports tested this on some of the most popular cars on the road. Think Honda Accords, Toyota Camrys, and even the Ford F-150. Their findings were crystal clear. Using regular gas instead of premium made zero difference in horsepower, fuel economy, or emissions. None. Switching from recommended premium to regular gas can save you around $462 a year. Over the 15-year life of a car, that adds up to nearly $7,000. Remember, 70% of cars on the road today only need regular gas. For that massive majority, paying almost $1 more per gallon for premium is like setting your money on fire. It offers absolutely no benefit, and it's one of the easiest ways to get ripped off at the pump. So the truth is out. Most drivers have been paying extra at the pump, convinced that premium fuel offers some secret advantage. But we've seen that common beliefs about better gas, like cleaner engines, more power, or a longer-lasting car, are simply myths for the vast majority of vehicles. All you're really paying for is a higher octane number, which your modern car handles perfectly fine with regular gas. Even if premium is recommended, your engine is smart enough to sort it out for free. You're essentially just throwing cash away. This premium gas lie is just one of many hidden financial traps out there. We're constantly digging into these deceptions, exposing what big companies don't want you to know. If you're ready to spot these costly tricks and keep more of your hard-earned cash, then stick with us. Hit that subscribe button, because the next hidden drain on your wallet could be just around the corner.